Change is constant in manufacturing. Whether it's fixture updates, software tweaks, or process adjustments, something's always shifting. But figuring out what those changes actually do to production? That can be slow, manual, and full of guesswork, especially when every station's data is isolated from the rest. Each update adds risks to the process, and every hour spent validating data delays improvement. This is where Keysight's PathWave manufacturing analytics steps in. With the before-after comparison, BAC mode, BAC transforms change validation from a manual task into a data-driven advantage, giving users a before and after comparisons view, turning every update into clear, measurable, and actionable insight. When engineering teams roll out a change, for example a new test fixture or a firmware update, BAC instantly compares before and after performance. Engineers can see coverage and failure rates side by side to confirm whether each change impacts the results or drives improvement. At the management level, BAC gives executives a unified view across sites. Comparing performance between locations becomes effortless, revealing which factories deliver the best yield, throughput, or stability. Everything you need to know, all in one place. With just a few clicks, users select a timestamp, project, or equipment tag, where test data is automatically organized and compared. Results for first pass yield, final yield, and failure rate are highlighted for visibility. Data becomes actionable insight, so teams can make faster and smarter production decisions. With Keysight's BAC mode in PathWave manufacturing analytics, change validation becomes fast, data-driven, and confident. Make every engineering change a step forward. Request a PMA demo from Keysight today.